This video is for the homework 5, and in the question 1, we have to use the convolution method to solve the this density function, and since it has given an example about how to use the convolution method, we found that the convolution method it has been solved in the last homework, in the homework 4. So and in this homework, in this question, which is similar to the last one, so just we can use the same function and use the same theory to solve this question. And since we get the example about the x density is a step function, and which the step function is between 1 and 2, so which is same as with the step function x between the 0 and 1. So we can use we can view that as the density of x as the step function between 0 and 1, and convolute with the y density function, and then we can just shift the result to the right by 1. Shift the result to the right side by 1, and we can get the result of this question. So, and the question 2, we need to use as the geometric method to solve this problem. By using the geometric method, we just need to calculate the shadow area of the geometric graph, and which the geometric graph is built by the x boundary and the y boundary, and using the relationship between x, y, which is equal to the z, and we can find the one line, and which line would intersect with a square, and since the z is changed as when a as x y shift, so we can use the line and intersect with the square, and to build a shadow field, and in the shadow field the area is the result we want, is this math function, and then differentiating this math function, we can get this density function. So there only have to say about how to determine the equation, determine the area, determine the boundaries of z, because when this is changing, when it's larger than 1. Oh, no, in this question, which is larger than 2, and which the method to calculate the area would be changed, since it not a triangular. In the first step, in the first boundary, it is a triangle, but in the second, when they changing into between 2 and 3, it is not triangle. It should be calculated by the square minus a small triangle, and which can get the shadow area. The shadow area cannot be easily used use one calculation to get. So we have to we have to divide Z into 3 situations. In the first situation, when Z is larger than or equal to 1 and smaller than 2, it's a shadow triangle, and we can find the area of the triangle. And in the second situation, when Z between 2 and 3, the shadow area should be calculated by the square minus a smaller triangle, and we can get the shadow area. But when Z larger than 3, which is larger than the square, and in that conditions, they should be the mass of function of Z should be 1, since it has overpassed the square, and all the square is the shadow area, since we know the whole square is the shadow area, and the result should be 1. And we can use this to calculate and finally find the mass function of Z. When we get the mass function, we can use differentiate the result, and finally we can get the density function of Z. So this is the question.